Hello, my dear friends. Today we are teaching the advantage and disadvantage essay. First of all, we have to organize our essay in 5 minutes, and then after we have to start our essay writing. Friends, I got 7 band in my essay writing, 7.5 and 7 in listening and reading, and 6.5 in my speaking. Friends, I am sharing with you my strategy with you because I think I share my strategy and this is beneficial for you and you will get same band as well as mine. Friend, we can start the understanding of advantage and disadvantage essay. Take a look at the essay question we are going to analyze. Now we can read question. People now have the freedom to work and live anywhere in the world due to the development of communication, technology and transportation. Do the advantages of this development outweigh the disadvantages? Friends, first we have to understand the task. When you have this type of advantage and disadvantage essay, it is important to distinguish between this and one task. You discuss advantage and disadvantage but does not ask your opinion. It means, friends, in the advantage and disadvantage essay we have to not given any type of our opinion because it is a misbehavior writing of our in writing task. So friends, we have not addressed the opinion in our advantage and disadvantage essay. Friends, in this essay, in these types of advantage disadvantage essay, we have to just address the introduction paragraph, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2 and body paragraph 3. If you like to write body paragraph 3, then you have to write. This is not mandatory. Mandatory is a body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2, and last one is conclusion. In the conclusion you can write anything. Anything means related to our question. Friends, most important is in the writing is organization. Friend, we can write body paragraph 1 as a positive point or as a negative point, and body paragraph 2 as a negative point or as a positive point. If you write in body paragraph 1 positive point, then you have to write in body paragraph 2 negative point. And if you want to write third body paragraph, you can write anything, body positive point or negative point. It depends on your point or your ideas, but you have to write one introduction paragraph and one conclusion paragraph. You have to write best essay to get best score. Friend, we can start. Friends, most important in writing is writing your thesis, means your idea. And first, when you write, before you writing your essay, you have to think on your questions supporting 3 to 4 ideas. Because you think 3 to 4 ideas before writing, you can write easily and fastly, and you save your time to recheck your essay. Now friends, we are take a look on full essay, model essay. And we can start from newly. Question is, people now have the freedom to work and anywhere in the world due to the development of communication, technology and transportation. Do the advantage of this development outweigh the disadvantage? Give the reason for your answer and including an relevant example from your experience or knowledge. Friends, this last 3 lines is more important in essay. You have to understand these lines. give reasons. You have not just giving an idea, you have to give some reasons why you believe, why you think, why you support your idea, that that point is positive or that point is negative. Why? Give the reason to exemplify, to check out. Or you have to give your one or two example in a separate paragraph, body paragraph 2 or 3, because your example make your essay beautiful and good. Now friend, we can start. This is introduction. This day many people choose to live or work in other country, which has been made possible because the convenience of air travel and modern communication. In this line, this essay writer tells us, due to the communication and technology, we can live, we can stay others country and develop our other skill due to the communication and transportation. Air travel means transportation and modern communication means communication. You can see here development of communication, technology and transportation. In this introduction, he written a nicely paragraph of introduction. Now we can look forward. I believe that this has more benefit than drawback. You can see here friend, agree, they positively agree in this last line. I believe that he has more benefit than drawback. It means benefits are more and drawbacks are less. Body paragraph 1 is disadvantages. The disadvantages of this development is the distance that it put between family member. Friends, you can easily understand. Disadvantage says technology and development of communication and transportation make a distance between family and family members. They are not gathered. If a person move away, it is true that air travel and devices such as Skype mean that communication and contact can be maintained. They give a reason. People can go anywhere and they connect with Skype to their family member, but they cannot feeling to sit beside your family member. However, it is likely that a person will only be able to return one or two times a year during holidays, and speaking on Skype or via mail is not the same as face-to-face contact. However, means contrast is a good vocab. Okay. In this last point, the writer says that face-to-face contact and meeting is a good, but Skype or via mail is not good. They make a distance between family and family members. Despite this, there are significant advantages it can bring to people's life. Firstly, it means people have the opportunity to see other part of the world and the way to people live. Contrast आ गया. There are significant advantage. Advantage is more. People's life become more beautiful and professional. Firstly, they told they get opportunity to see other parts of world and they aware of their new updates. For example, people from the west often go to work in the Asia or Middle East and vice versa. The enriches many people live as they get to learn about other language, tradition, culture and different way to working from their own country. Yes, this is a very and very good point. People get knowledge, extra knowledge of others' culture, language and working style, and they get new culture, they adopt new culture and their countries get growth. They add additional paragraph. In addition to this, on a wider level, it may also benefit other country. This is beneficial for other country to transportation. If someone moves abroad for work, it is usually because their skill is required there. This point is very excellent point. People go for study or work abroad because they need a certain and specially skill. To illustrate, nurses and doctors often move to work in hospital in the other country when there is a shortage. So this is very valuable place they move. Nice example. Friends, we move on. Conclusion. I would therefore argue that although there are disadvantages of current trend to live and work abroad, they are outweighed by the advantages. It can enrich people live and lives of people in the country they move. Okay, nice. Friends, I teach you a good essay. If you like to my video, please subscribe this channel and share. Thank you friends for watching my video.